Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got my Sparkle Supplies UK VIP box. It is a little bit delayed, that is my fault, just because that's it. It's just my fault. I haven't got around to filming it till now, so you know, it's one of those things. So I'm just gonna open it up, which I probably should have done before. I am gonna do swatches like I did in the last VIP box video, because that, I think it's much better for you to actually see the products properly. So we've got, this is everything that's in this box. Let's just zoom in a little bit. And that's how much everything is, would be individually for you to buy, and it all goes on sale on the 7th of May. £13.25 is how much value is in the box. They are £12.99, but you can also use my 15% off discount code, which is in the description box. I will put it up here on the screen if I remember. Apologies if I don't, but it is down below. So yeah, that's everything that's in the box and how much it will be, but I will let you know as I go through them. So we've got some, oh, these are cute, some stickers. These are definitely going to be popular because everybody loves flowers at this time of year. There's quite a few sheets in here as well. So we've got some stickers firstly. We've got some orange, not orange, well, yeah, they're sort of orange, like an orangey pink, orangey yellow is what I was trying to say, and pink. And these ones are like a set of 3 as well, like that's one sticker, so they're really cute. And then we've got some yellow ones here. And, oh, there's 4 sheets. Let's get rid of those 2 then, and then show you these 2 separately. And some blue, orange and pinks, then some green leaves as well separately, and some stars and flowers on this one. Those flowers are really cute. And they've got like a really tiny crystal in the centre as well. That's the same on all of them. They're really pretty, I like those. So I'll definitely be getting use out of those soon. I'm just going to pop those back in the packaging they came. Oh, that's a lot easier said than done, isn't it? I really don't envy Lorraine if she has to put all these things in here, because it's just stressing me out and I've just got to do one. There we go, very cute. And then next we've got a foil which is called Vogue. Oh, these stickers, by the way, would be £2.49. This foil would be 80p. It's called Vogue, and it is this beautiful, beautiful metallic purple colour. Really, really gorgeous. And then we've got 2 things in pots. These are called Back to the Fuchsia. Very, very clever name. Flakes, and they're £2.99. They look like this. They are like little flakes like that. Different shapes. Very, very pretty. Lovely colour. I love fuchsia. And then we've got, so that would be £2.99, I don't know if I said. And then this is Flower Power, and these would be £1.99. And they look like this. Lots of little multicoloured flowers. Very, very cute. They're like not neon, they're like bright pastel colour, which is perfect for this sort of time of year, and also for summer as well. I don't think I am actually going to swatch these because they're really chunky glitters. I don't think chunky glitters really look that great on a swatch anyway, so I don't think it'd really be worth it, but I'll obviously show you them. So this one is called Paradise. It's very different. It's got love hearts. I was just analysing it before I showed it to you so I can explain it right. I'm just going to stretch it out a bit so you can see more. So it's called Paradise, this is it. And as you can see from different angles, it's got love hearts in it. There's iridescent ones and also gold, like metallic gold. There's also some butterflies. There's like strands of like the tinselly stuff. And then a really, really fine, I think it's like an iridescent glitter. Oh, that's a better way to see the glitter. That's the glitter that's in it. Look how much is in that. It's absolutely jam-packed. So that's Paradise. And then last but not least, oh, Paradise would be £2.99. And last but not least, we've got this glitter which is called Intrigue, and this would be £1.99. And it looks like this. Different sized hexes with really fine blue and pink as well. I love the colour scheme of this. It's really, really pretty, and I've literally filmed this video at the perfect time because it has just started absolutely chucking it down with rain, and it's going to probably get loud in here because I'm in the conservatory, so good timing I suppose. But yeah, that's Intrigue. Beautiful, beautiful colours even. So there's that, there's these, there's this, there's those, and there's these two here. So well worth the money that this costs, and like I said, you could use my discount code to get them even cheaper as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.